Hello everyone, Habib here. In this video I'm going to tell you how to select element in Blender, especially if you are moving from 3ds Max to Blender like me. As you know, in Blender we can have this edit mode, but there is only vertex mode, edge modes and face modes, but we don't have element mode. So to select single faces or multiple faces like this, it is easy. But what if we want to select all the faces for this one single element? In 3ds Max we can select, we have the fourth mode, which is element mode, and then we can click the element and we are able to select entire element with same mesh, and we cannot do it in Blender. So to do it in Blender, we can just click one of the mesh or one of the vertex or edge, then we press L. Now we have the select element in Blender. Now we can manipulate this object, this one single element of this 3D object. So I repeat it, we can click any of the face or the vertex, then we press L. Now we have the one element of the object is selected. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video useful to you, and see you next time on my next videos. Bye bye.